That's why after trying out all these cars, that's why I appreciate the Tiguan. I didn't used to like this car before. I like it now after test riding all these other cars.
car symbol. In off-roading we can see where the wheels are exactly.
Right. అదే ఆఫ్-రోడ్ ఫీచర్స్ అయితే నో డౌట్ అసలు క్రేజీ ఇచ్చాడు.
Yeah, this is an extra also, right? This view of overhead.
Yeah. Yeah. So I like that.
You
about
like that
all
SUV
the
feature? It feels like an SUV.
Yeah. No, it feels like like something beyond a regular SUV.
Even brake light is reflected in the camera, dude.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
దీనికి ఎయిర్ సస్పెన్షన్ లేదా? How do I change the mode?
Right now మనకి దీంట్లో ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే సార్ లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ బిలో మనం కంప్లీట్ యాక్సెస్ హైట్ ఉంటుంది. యాక్సెస్ హైట్లో వీ కాంట్ గో అబౌవ్ 40 km స్పీడ్. 40 దాటిన తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకి రైడ్ హైట్ వచ్చేసారు. యూ కెన్ జెట్స్ 19 పక్కన ఒక చిన్న ఎల్లో కలర్ ఉంది సార్. దట్ ఈస్ రైడ్ హైట్ రైట్.
Okay.
మనం నెక్స్ట్ పైన క్లిక్ చేసి ఇట్ విల్ గో టు ఆఫ్ రోడ్ హైట్. అగైన్ ఇట్ విల్ వీ కాంట్ గో బియాండ్ 40.
Okay.
Just to get a test drive of this lovely Defender, man. Proper SUV, and it looks rugged. Primarily for off-road, but you can still use it on-road, obviously. And it has dynamic suspension with different ride height modes. This is the Range Rover Sport HSC trim level.
అంటే పక్కా ఈ కార్ తీసుకోవాలి. మనం లాస్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు చూస్తే లోపల నుంచి కన్నా
So this is the Velar.
వెలర్ ఇస్ ఆపోజిట్.
రైట్.
ఫోటోస్లో పెద్ద ఉంటుంది, యాక్చువల్లీ
So this is the Discovery Sport. So this is the practical versions of the Land Rover brand. It looks very simple and basic. This feels like the practical car.
This is a compromise, like full luxury, full off-roading key.
But still, this is small, right?
It doesn't feel that way once you sit. Plastic here. That's why after trying out all these cars, that's why I appreciate the Tiguan. I didn't used to like this car before. I like it now after test riding all these other cars.
So slow love. Slow love for this car. Initially you didn't like it and then it grew on you.
I'm appreciating it more now. I'm like, thank God you have comfortable back seats. Thank God you have a decently responsive engine.
Chaitanya is looking for a car in his family, so the budget is around high end. We don't need to even mention the price, it's high end. So we checked out the Land Rover, Range Rover cars. Explain me one thing, so correct me if I'm wrong. So they're starting in, they have Jaguar, they have Land Rover. Within Land Rover, you get the Evoque as the entry level car, the first one.
So within Land Rover, you have a few different verticals. The most popular vertical is the Range Rover.
Range Rover.
So in Range Rover, the starting is Evoque, which is like a really, really small car.
And another vertical is the Discovery, right?
Yeah, another vertical is Discovery, another vertical is
Defender.
So Defender is nice, but it's primarily off-road, like 80-20 or 60-40 off-road, right? And then Discovery is like 50-50.
So if you have to pick only within that brand, I think Range Rover, the high-end HSC trim level or whatever trim level
So again in Range Rover, there are 4 different cars, right? You have the Evoque, the Velar, the Sport and the standard Range Rover.
Okay.
So the standard Range Rover is what the true Range Rover definition is. The ultra luxury,
the top of the line
cars, like that's like the super fancy car.
Their flagship.
In that you have trims. You have Vogue, you have Signature, Autobiography, something. You have all these other trims in there.
Okay.
So that you can dismiss anyway. And then Evoque is too small, so that goes out the window. We saw Velar, looks really good from the outside. Rochi also
kind
loves
of
Velar.
small in the inside.
We all love Velar. It looks beautiful from the outside. Inside it's surprisingly small. It's smaller than this car. So that gets eliminated. So the only thing kind of left is the Range Rover Sport. And or we wait for the Discovery that comes next month.
No, but the top of the line Range Rover is
very overpriced. I mean, it has that sort of value in our society, but in other countries it's not perceived to be twice the cost of a BMW or a Mercedes.
Okay.
It's so like 10-15% more. It's not 100% more.
Okay. So the only potential car in the Land Rover world is the Range Rover Sport. In that you have trim lights.
Next month when the new Discovery comes out, that might be.
But Discovery, I feel, is like that too practical. You can feel the plastics and all. When you're paying like 1 crore or so, it just doesn't feel premium to see those basic touch points. He's missing this engine performance in the Defender too. I mean, it's not comparable because that's more off-road vehicle. There are tons of features. If you are into off-roading, that's my dream car for off-roading.
Yeah.
I love, whenever the Defender launched, I was like so tempted. I want to go get it, like sell some assets and get it.
It's a luxury Thar, essentially, right?
I don't know, that's the Jeep Rubicon.
The Wrangler?
Yeah.
Okay, it's the luxury Wrangler.
Yeah. It is exactly the same, Wrangler and the Thar. Thar is like a very, very, very excellent ripoff. Defender, it was like riding on top of a bus, not in a bus, on top of a bus. It felt so high and tall, comfortable too in off-roads. But it's, again, meant for off-road. It looks good, but again, personal choice varies. Do you like the Sport or the Defender more?
Two completely different
vehicles.
Categories essentially.
Okay.
So I wouldn't choose between them. I would say for my family's purpose, probably they would want a Sport.
Sporty.
Yeah.
Sport matlab not sports car. Range Rover Sport.
The Range Rover Sport, yeah.
Now we are heading to the Merc showroom. I think Merc is probably the most convincing options of the lot because it feels premium, at the same time you get some features too. And Merc has that brand value, brand presence here in India.
But did you tell them what we're most waiting for? Which car launch?
What car?
Kodiak, man.
Oh, Kodiak. Kodiak feels like a bigger Tiguan, dude. To be honest.
It's a
7-seater Tiguan.
But no, I mean, we're talking about this. It's so funny. Like after Kodiak, you have to essentially go into, like, pay like north of 80 lakhs to get like the next good car.
Correct. because that's the good
it's
thing
like,
that Skoda did. Like,
yeah, with the Superb, with Kodiaq, you're getting something that again, if you want to like beat it, you have to pay twice the amount, right? Like even Pranav was saying this.
so this is the showroom where my Bentleys were kept when I had to see them first time. Yeah, unboxing was done here in this showroom because Mahavir had controlled both Merc and Bentley then. So this is the electric version of the Merc. This is more like the GLE electric. Looks good, yeah. Look at that futuristic dash.
AMG 63 something.
Oh,
C63.
C63.
Yeah.
Sweet, dude.
Frameless doors.
You get this in CLA also.
Huh?
CLA also frameless door. That looks premium.
Oh wait for it. Okay, now listen. So they have that active exhaust thing here. So it closes the flap on the... You can actually see the flap if you zoom into the...
I get all the cars, dude. This is the one you need to get.
One day. I think Shriman will actually... Probably, this is probably one of his dream cars. I don't know.
He likes
AMG
Mercs
cars.
in general.
Carbon fiber, Alcantara. Nice, man. This is probably one of the newer cars.
Oh,
I haven't
nice.
seen this one before.
This looks good. Excellent. Not even good. Enjoying off-roading?
Oh yeah, easy. Piece of cake run.
Do you miss Defender now?
No. This car is enough.
We couldn't record anything in the Merc showroom because we wanted, they wanted permissions from PM and all. But
PM huh? Direct Prime Minister. Marketing office in Jepra. PM da kelpino.
First impressions? GLE, right?
Yeah, GLE is good. GLS was good. We already tested
Three pros, 3 cons. If you can name up to 3.
Gilly,
అరే ఫోన్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఫ్రీగా ఉన్నారా ఫోన్ లో
on the way. ETA
4 minutes
4 minutes on the way.
ఎక్కడికి వస్తున్నారు?
నువ్వు పంపించిన లొకేషన్ రా
ఇక్కడికి వస్తారా? అచ్చా సరే రండి.
ఏ రావద్దా?
ఎందుకు అంత డిప్రెసింగ్ ఉన్నావు? కొంచెం ఎక్సైటెడ్ ఉండరా?
అంటే మేము దిగుతున్నాం అండి బయటికి వెళ్ళండి.
అరే ఉండండి 45th లోనే ఉండండి వచ్చేస్తాం.
సరే
బాయ్. చూడరా ఓవర్టేకింగ్ పవర్ చూడరా.
నాకు భయం వేస్తుంది.
ఇలా చీప్ కార్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంటుందిరా. ఆకు ముళ్ళు మీద పడ్డా ఆ టైప్ లో.
నేను ఆకు నువ్వు ముళ్ళు.
నువ్వు ఏ రకంగా ఆకులా ఉన్నారా?
నువ్వు ముళ్ళు.
ఆకు మీద క్యాటర్పిల్లర్ ఉంటారు చూడు, అట్లున్నారా?
అరే అదేదో సినిమాకి యూట్యూబ్ లో రియాక్షన్ వీడియోలు వస్తాయి చూడు, అట్లా ఉండే నా రియాక్షన్ ఆ సిగ్నల్ దగ్గర.
He
is a good driver. Very good.
Rating you? Okay, 8 out of 10 isko.
-8 out of 10. 8 కూడా -8. అమ్మా యాక్షన్ కాదు సీరియస్.
ఇంకా యూట్యూబర్స్ నేను నమ్ముతారు చెప్పండి ఈ మధ్య.
నువ్వు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామర్
అంటే ఒక చేతిలో షాంపూ ఒక చేతిలో కండిషనర్ పెట్టుకుంటారు, ఏమంటారు ఇంకా?
సారీ, నో కామెంట్. అది ఈ ఛానల్ కాదు, పక్క ఛానల్ నుంచి కామెంట్ చేయం. ఎనీవే వి ఆర్ డైగ్రెసింగ్ బిగ్ టైమ్. వేర్ వర్ వి హిస్ GLE.
We were at Mercedes. We saw the cars there.
So did you like the GLE?
Yeah, it's a good car.
Comparatively to the Range Rover?
It's hard to compare because they're not in the same price bracket. The GLE comes in a bit cheaper.
Okay.
So for the price, it's good.
So you don't have, we're not talking about the budget and all then. It's just matter of which one do you like the more or which fits your purpose more. So I think somehow GLE fits that purpose more.
Yeah, I think it's a slightly more sensible choice. Car ka ila bettu pose. Ila betti outside. Are oka photo di tara mana jail photoshop.
Oh, atlana.
Hey malli.
అరే బిల్ పే చేయండి రా, పోదాం పదా.
How's the food here? అరే
ఇట్లానా ఇట్లానా
దాంట్లో
పైన హ్యాండ్స్ బోత్ పైన
రియలైజ్ అచ్చా పిజ్జా డూ
షిట్ సారీ వాట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్
వాటర్ తాగుతాడు వాట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ అని
మీ బండి అయిపోయినట్టేనా బైక్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ డన్
రూమ్ టెంపరేచర్
బాబు పిజ్జా డెలివరీ ఏం పిజ్జా 1500 రూపీస్ ఓన్లీ సార్ జైల్ షర్ట్ బాగున్నావు
బాగుంటేనే కొనుక్కున్నారా
బాగాలేదు బాగుందంటే మేము అర్థం వేరు ఏముంది
పిజ్జా ఉందిరా
చూపి హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ అర్థమే హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్
జస్ట్ యాడ్
హౌ ఇస్ సంగీత్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ చూసాని తకిట తకిట
బాడీలో రిధమ్ ఉందా
వీణా స్టెప్ బాగా వేస్తున్నావు
తెలుసురా